So you have $0, or let's just say that you do, and you're completely new to trading. This is exactly what I would do. If I had to start from zero to money, zero edge, nothing. All right. My name's Sam, and I pass prop firm challenges. I trade full time, and I've been day trading for about 12 years now. Right. I know what it feels like to start from complete zero. Most traders do, obviously, but let me show you the fastest way that I truly believe I would rebuild everything starting from complete nothing. All right. So your first step is you're going to build before trying to chase money. And this is present in a lot of ventures in life, especially business, but it's very persistent with day trading as well. Okay. So your skill is going to come before payouts. You need to learn that. Okay. Trade on replay. Just pick one setup with one asset and trade nothing else every single day, right? Journal like it's fucking life or death. Just take a notebook and put it by your desk. I even still have a marker board right next to it. It's more of a to-do list, to be honest. But I stare at it every single day, and it helps more if it's physical because you can look at it. It's right there. It's a bit different from, if you have your phone open and you just journal in there. That might be more simple, but you're going to feel compelled to check, social media. We are creatures of habits, right? Okay, but skill alone is going to get you paid, but here's where the plan kind of gets smart. You're going to leverage prop firms as more of like a capital shortcut. But before then, I highly encourage you to either get another source of income. It's like a second job, or I don't want to call it a side hustle. I don't really believe in them. Start an online business if you want to make some serious fucking money quicker. And then once you start making money from that, you'll be able to make money from trading way fucking quicker. If, your risk appetite, or if you're feeling more ambitious, is a bit more, right? But when it comes to prop firms make $0 is like capital as possible, right? I'd save for one cheap challenge, and one cheap challenge, or four of them, are better than a $200,000 account. So let's say that you're going to go for a $200,000 account because you make 1% on that and you just made $2,000 in a day, right? Wrong. If you get four $50,000 accounts, depending on which prop firm you have, I trade with Apex, FTMO, and I'm starting to do one other one at the moment. You can get four $50,000 accounts, and then you just 4x the possibility of you passing the prop firm challenge and getting a payout. That's like the goal objective here, is to getting a prop firm payout. But you want to pave the way first to make sure that your success rate is a little bit higher, okay? Treat it like it's your only shot of doing this. Like straight up 8 Mile kind of mindset, bro, right? Stick to one 8+ setup a day. Don't trade more than once a day. Seriously, I coached some of you guys so far, and I'm getting quite a lot of emails, which I appreciate. Half of you guys are over trading a lot, or you are revenge trading. By the way, if you want help with trading, and I put out one free trading setup, you can join my email newsletter completely for free. No funny gimmicks, right? If you want something more interactive, then I only have so many Zoom call slots per week, right? But capital itself is going to be useless if your mindset itself is broken too. So this part matters, I think, the most. You want to build the mindset that is going to protect your account in the long run, okay? So $0 traders are going to be losing because of their mindset, not the actual strategy. I know, because I have literally showed my exact strategy to other people, and it didn't work for them. And sometimes these people were profitable traders, and the same strategy doesn't always work out, right? But I can literally give this person the account and the strategy, but they can't detach from needing money, right? They don't focus on the outcome, or they do focus on the outcome. They don't focus on executing the actual trade. They can't cut the losers instantly. They hold on to things that they've lost in life, which that's an excellent learning experience I have had in trading, is to just let go of shit that you lost. It doesn't exist anymore. Move on to the next thing that you might enjoy just as much, if not more, right? So where a lot of traders mess up big time and will help you stay stuck at level 1 for a long fucking time. You're going to change your skill into income slowly, right? So you're going to build on consistency, and then the size is going to come afterwards. This isn't just in trading. Like I said, that's why I encouraged you, again, highly encourage you to find another source of income to help supplement the prop firms and whatnot, and these are going to compound. It's going to start out seemingly small, but you can get to a year. I met someone who was trading only for a year and a half, and they were more profitable than me after trading for like 4 or 5 years. I wouldn't say that's very common, but if you want to speed run that, again, please join my newsletter. It's free, and I teach you how to do this and a lot more than that. And I have one free trade, my bad, that I put out every single week that you guys can check out. Some of you are getting profitable off of that too, which is fucking amazing, right? But the smallest months are going to teach you the most, and once you lock in some consistency, the scaling becomes effortless, and that's when you can get all the $10,000-$50,000 accounts or a bunch of $200,000 accounts and use fucking trade copiers and buy helicopters and shit, right? So the thing that's going to help accelerate everything, right, is you're going to help build yourself a simple routine that's going to compound, okay? So you're going to have a daily replay session, same setup every day. Leave your laptop open so that if you wake up and trade, or if you trade, let's say, in the middle of the day, it's set up right there, and you don't even have to think. It's just going to be execution, end-of-day review, rinse, and repeat, right? And that's when you build a routine, right? The randomness just starts to disappear. All the noise frequency disappears. So if you're at 0, here's the truth, right? If this helped, please smash the like button. It helps show the algorithm see that my video isn't terrible, even though it kind of fucking is. But I don't care. I want to do this anyways, right? Check out the newsletter. It's in the description. It's free, and it's going to speed up the entire learning curve, right? But yeah, if I start at 0, build skill first or build multiple skills. Use prop firms as your capital after financing it, right? Master mindset and your routine, right? The only difference between you now and the trader you want to become is repetition, and that's the truth of it. All right, check you guys later.